Hey future millionaires! My name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. And today I have compiled a guide of 7 of the best side hustles for women. All of these side hustles and business ideas that I'm going to be introducing to you guys today, you can start with little to no money. You can even start them from your phone, and you can do them from anywhere in the world. So there's no excuses as to why you can't start. Not only will I be telling you about these side hustles and giving you some guidance on how to start, but I will also be giving you the full free step-by-step courses on all of these ideas so you can start now. Those free courses will be tagged throughout the video, so keep a lookout for them. The opportunities to make money online nowadays are actually insane. And it's never been an easier or better time to get started. I believe women especially have so many advantages when it comes to making money online. Just because from experience, there's so much more markets that we can reach as women. So the goal with today's video is to expand your knowledge of what's actually out there so you can pick one and get started. Believe me, I know how hard it is as a beginner to gain your initial knowledge about how to make money online, especially when you're trying to figure out what you want to do and what direction to go in, or once you figure that out, how to actually even get started. And with all of these people across the internet trying to push you into buying courses from them, I know it can be very overwhelming. I got you. I don't gatekeep anything, and my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education that people usually charge thousands of dollars for is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. So get ready to take some notes and let's get started. Now, before we get into these side hustle ideas today, I want to say a huge thank you to our sponsor of today's video, Tailor Brands. I get so many questions from you guys asking me, what do I really need in order to start making money online and launch my online business? So I thought this would be a perfect video to include Tailor Brands in on. Me personally, I first focused on making the money first, then I legalized everything. Just because when I first started making money online, I didn't even know that I was even gonna make any money. So the most important thing after hearing these side hustles today is getting started. Although, once you are sure that you want to keep the online business long-term, that's when you can keep this in mind. Tailor Brands is a complete business builder for starting, managing, and growing a business. They provide a personalized guide that makes it easy for anyone to build a successful business and combines all the tools needed to do it the right way. Tailor Brands provides LLC services, checks what license and permits your business needs and has the applications filled out for you, gives you access to attorney-written business documents like contracts and services agreements, has a built-in unique logo maker to register your domain and build a customized website, protects your business name and logo with trademarks, sets up a business bank account to keep your business finances separate from your personal finances, and you can even reach out to Tailor Brands business experts and receive live consultations that will answer all your questions. The first thing that I got after starting my online business and making consistent money was my LLC. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. This separates your personal assets from your business assets. It's easy and super affordable to get your LLC when you're ready with Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands offers all of the legal requirements that you're gonna need for your LLC, such as a registered agent, annual compliance, EIN, and the operating agreement. Structuring your online businesses don't have to be a struggle. And I hope these tips help you on your new business journey. Head over to tailorbrands.com or just click the link in my description box to get started. And again, shout out to Tailor Brands for being the sponsor of today's video. Side hustle number 1, reselling apps. Now, I wanted to bring this side hustle up first because if you are someone that you need money right now, this is what you need to start doing immediately to make quick money. And of course, you can start this with $0, with no skills, and you can start it today. Now, most side hustles and online business ideas are never an overnight thing. But whenever you guys are like, hey, I have bills to pay, please tell me what can I do right now to make money? This is it. This is also a side hustle that I have been doing for the past 6 years. Now, I know you have to have stuff laying around your house that you no longer use, such as gently used clothes, books, gifts, makeup that you never used, random collectibles, or just anything laying around your house. Sell them. The most popular reselling apps are Mercari, Poshmark, and Depop. I use all of them, but I personally do like using Mercari the best because I just made the most money from it and I feel like it's the most simple. And obviously this is not sponsored at all by Mercari. It's just what I've used for the past 6 years, and I do like this one the best out of all of them. I also found a link to get you guys up to $30 in credits. So if you want to start using these reselling apps to just get rid of some stuff in your house and make money from it, if you need money right now, I put a link in the description box as well for Mercari, and if you sign up through that link, like I said, you will get up to $30 in credits. Facebook Marketplace is another reselling app that I have used in the past, but it's just not personally my favorite because I've just seen some kind of like scammy situations there. I feel like it's not as controlled as these other apps like Mercari, Poshmark, Depop. How it works on these apps as well is when you make a sale of something on these apps, Mercari, for example, will email you that shipping label, and then you just paste that shipping label on your package. You can use like anything that you have laying around. You don't have to like go out and purchase any shipping stuff. You can use any old thing that you have to recycle, and then you just ship that straight to whoever bought it. So this by far is my favorite side hustle to tell people when people ask me like, hey, I need money right now. This is what you need to do. And you'd be shocked as to how many people are on these apps buying stuff. Side hustle idea number 2 is UGC. UGC stands for user generated content. Brands want to pay you, a normal person, to create content with their products that brand can then use for their own marketing. In a world where influencers are now charging tens of thousands of dollars for posts, brands rather pay you with a small to no following for the same kind of content for around $150 to $500 just for one video. This is another great side hustle that you can start with $0 and that women especially can take advantage of. Especially if you are someone that you like doing makeup or skincare, there's a huge market for this in the beauty niche especially. Girls are starting the side hustle as a newbie and making thousands of dollars weekly literally just from their house. A lot of girls actually start this one as a side hustle and then it turns into their main source of income. And if you're new to content creation, just practice. I didn't know anything about content creation when I first started, and the more I practiced, the more I got good at it. And the more I got good at my content creation, the more opportunities opened up to how I could make money online with social media. You can take all these videos straight from your phone, and as long as you're utilizing good lighting, clean backgrounds, and on point with your editing, you can succeed in this side hustle. I made an in-detail step-by-step free course for you guys on this topic of UGC, which I will link down in the description box below. Best way you can get started with the side hustle today is set up a brand new professional profile on Instagram and TikTok, start posting reviews of products that you already have in your house, make sure your keywords are on point, and eventually brands will start reaching out to you without you having to do any outreach yourself. Then you will charge them a set price to create content for them. They'll send you their products for free and you can charge them $100 to around $300 as a beginner. As you get better and better at it and you have more and more people and companies and brands coming and trying to get you booked, you can charge even more. But the best way to succeed in this side hustle is to create the best content possible. And that all comes with practice. Side hustle idea number 3 is dropshipping. Starting a dropshipping business from your home can be a great first online business model. I love this online business model because you can start with little to no money. And I share this as a side hustle because with dropshipping, you are the middleman, or should I say middle woman, between a buyer and the supplier. You find a product, you list that product on your website. Then when a customer places an order on your website, the supplier ships that product straight to the buyer and you keep the profits. There are so many products out there that you can dropship. And because a lot of these products are made for girls, we already have an advantage of how we can market them. There's so many different products you can sell, so the possibilities are endless. And of course, I created an entire detailed 1-hour step-by-step free course just on this business model, which is on my YouTube channel that I linked down in the description box below so you can start this online business model / side hustle right away. Side hustle number 4, start a fashion account. This side hustle is for all my ladies that love fashion. Let me give you the full strategy. You're gonna pick this as your niche, being in the fashion niche. You're gonna start uploading 2 to 3 times a day on TikTok, Instagram Reels. Short form content is the best and fastest way to grow on social media right now. Only a few viral videos can get you to over 100,000 followers in a month. Once you grow this page, the possibilities are endless. You'll start getting brand deals, you'll start getting affiliate commission on different things. There are girls that are making six figures, literally just making simple videos of them matching different outfits and trying on different outfits. And you don't have to be some type of model to do this. Doesn't matter what size you are, there's people in every single size that are doing videos like this. That's because as women, we all have different bodies, we all have different looks. So don't ever think that you have to have this perfect image or perfect dream body to actually make videos like this. And I have seen girls do this faceless. So you don't even have to really show your face. But I always think showing your face does help to just connect more with your viewers. So if you want to, awesome, you don't have to. Check out this Instagram account, Perry Cyan. I love her and I get all my fashion tips literally from her. I buy my clothes through her links. And she grew her social media platforms, posting simple videos just like this with coordinating outfits. You can start posting try-on hauls and other related fashion videos to YouTube and start automating your YouTube channel too in order to make passive income. You can see there's tons of girls that are also doing this. There's also no limit on how much you can make on YouTube either. So as you can see, there's tons of avenues that you can take just by niching down and starting a fashion account. Which leads me to my next side hustle idea, number 5. Affiliate marketing with Amazon. There are accounts on Instagram and TikTok that all they do is focus on Amazon finds. I love examples, so check out this account. She grew her account from nothing to over 2 million followers within the past year. As you can see here, her posts are mostly faceless, and she has the link in her bio to all the products that she shows on her Instagram and in her posts, so they shop directly through here to find it. Then she gets affiliate commission on all of these products that she recommends. I know that there's also programs out there actually through Amazon. There's actually people on the Amazon platform that get paid to do this. So you don't even have to be on Instagram. You could actually do it directly through Amazon. Of course, if I was you, I would just distribute this content everywhere you can. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook Reels, anywhere you can think of to post this one piece of content. So you would take a product, take a video of it, why you love it, and then distribute that content everywhere. And your links would essentially be on every single social media platform, including your Amazon one. And I know for a fact, I've talked with other influencers that say Amazon actually pays them monthly just to promote their products. So they share them on Instagram and then they still make the affiliate commission. And I know that they're making thousands of dollars monthly just from doing this. You don't have to have a bunch of followers to start, because even with all my accounts, I started all my accounts from 0 followers. Now with all my social media platforms combined, I have over 15 million followers across all my social media platforms. And I started all of them from 0 followers. And same with everybody that you see as well. So don't ever think and make that excuse that, well, I don't have followers, because they didn't either. But with the right strategies that I teach here on my YouTube channel, it's possible for you as well. And if you are broke right now and you cannot afford to be buying all these products to review, let me tell you some tea that people actually do. And I would honestly do myself if I had to start over from scratch. People literally just buy these products on Amazon, they make the videos, and then they go return them. The Amazon returns are super simple and free, and they have a super easy policy about returns, so it's not a hassle at all. And at the end of the day, you're promoting Amazon, so it's not unethical. Amazon probably likes it that you're taking their products, promoting them. They get benefit from that. So that's what I would be doing, to be honest. So if I was broke and had to start all over again, that's what I would be doing. And of course, I got you guys. I do have a full step-by-step course video just on this topic, which I linked down in the description box below so you can get started right away. Side hustle number 6 is print on demand. As a woman, I feel like we just have the eye for what looks good, especially with designing different things, such as wall art, clothing, and so many other things. Take a look at this wall art and look how much money it's bringing in. What I love about this business model with print on demand is, like dropshipping, you don't have to hold any inventory. The print on demand supplier does all the dirty work for you. You just have to pick a niche, create some simple designs, and start promoting these designs. My favorite platform to promote print on demand products is Pinterest. That's because Pinterest is a photo-friendly app and you don't need followers. And Pinterest is actually a search engine. People are already searching for these types of items, and you're able to link these products directly through the pins. So it's super easy to get started. The most successful print-on-demand stores are ones that sell relatable types of products that can be purchased for gifts. And you guys already know the free print-on-demand course I made for you guys is linked on the screen and down in the description box below. Side hustle idea number 7 is for all my ladies that love to cook or bake. if you're already doing it, why do you not have a YouTube channel for it? If you are someone that you actually enjoy doing these activities, or any activity for that matter, why not start social media accounts about it? Take a look at this one simple video of this person boiling an egg. This video got over 5 million views. A typical RPM for this video would be around $5 to $10 since it's an instructional video. Therefore, this single video made an estimate of over $50,000. The possibilities are endless with this niche, and you won't only make passive income through your content, but you can also make money through affiliate marketing, brand deals, and you could also sell tons of digital products or ebooks related to this niche as well. Or maybe if you don't like to cook, just grab your grandma and just record her as she's cooking. And again, this is something that you don't even have to show your face for. I've watched so many cooking videos on YouTube, and I feel like the best ones are just showing the food. But I just wanted to show you guys that you guys should be taking advantage of the power of social media. We are no longer in this phase of being an influencer. No, you don't have to be an influencer. You just have to have the strategies and know and understand how you can make social media work for you. It's never been easier or a better time to start than right now. And as our world is becoming more and more digital, you are still early to the game. So don't ever think that you're too late or that you can't do it, because I thought all the same things, and I am so thankful that I didn't listen to those thoughts. I hope these side hustle ideas gave you guys some ideas of what you can start to start making money online. I love all of these because you can start these no matter how busy you are, whether you're a mom, whether you just have an hour a day to commit to these side hustles. That's honestly all you need. When I restarted my entrepreneurship journey in 2020, I was a full-time college student and working a 9-to-5 job. So I know how it feels to be very overwhelmed and busy, but I promise you, if you make time for these things and you continue and you stay consistent, they will pay off. And remember, my YouTube channel has dedicated free courses for all of these, so you can really learn how to dive into these ways to make money online with me by your side. Of course, you guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. And I recently just started a club called the Baddies in Business Club, which is dedicated to helping you guys on a more personal level to level up your entrepreneurship journey even faster with me by your side. We do multiple calls a week, and everybody that's inside has been loving it so far. And it's been honestly super awesome to connect with you guys on a different level. If you want to get access into the Baddies in Business Club, I put that link down in the description box below for you guys as well. And I'm so excited to see more and more people get in. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well at BaddieNBiz, BaddieNBiz, for more business inspiration and updates. And I hope these tips help you on your new business journey. If you have any questions about this video, comment down below, and I do try to respond to all of my comments. Head over to TailorBrands.com or just click the link in my description box to get started. And again, shout out to Tailor Brands for being the sponsor of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.